Last year, the completely redesigned 2022 Honda Civic sedan was unveiled with updated specifications. According to J.D. Power's reliability tests, it receives a reliability rating of 84 out of 100. It clearly demonstrates its strength in the segment after receiving scores of 82 and 86 in the quality and reliability and driving experience categories respectively. Additionally, the Honda Civic 2022 has the reputation of being a fine compact sedan with respectable after-sales support, as evidenced by its dealership scores of 82 and a favorable resale stature of 87 when compared to competitors like the Hyundai Elantra, Subaru Impreza, and Toyota Corolla. Although there have been no 2022 Honda Civic recalls to date, the vehicle has 40 total issues and problems that are associated with it. Although it is too soon to judge the 2022 model year cars, we do get a good idea of the manufacturer's quality control issues. Several of them are listed below. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Lane departure warning. The lane departure warning in the new Civic has frequently been reported to malfunction and fail to recognize lanes. According to the complainants, the steering wheel locked up and prevented the driver from controlling the steering. The car has run into nearby objects because of this problem. Velocity speed control. The 2022 Civic frequently experiences problems with unexpected acceleration and stalling because the vehicle speed control frequently fails. Forward collision avoidance. The forward collision avoidance system is reportedly not working properly. Additionally, because of this, the cruise control has been disabled, causing unexpected acceleration. This results in an unintentional acceleration of the vehicle and a potential safety hazard. Steering. The 2022 Civic has issues with its steering, causing the driver to grip the wheel tightly whenever the lane keep assist feature is active. Service brake. When there are upheavals, the Civic's brakes become less effective and the brake pedal becomes extremely stiff and difficult to press. Exterior lighting. Once automatic cruise control dynamics are chosen, the 2022 Civic sedan will no longer have automatic high beams. Should you buy? The Honda Civic sedan for 2022 currently has minor issues that hardly detract from its overall image. Despite this, it is without a doubt one of the most dependable family sedans available. The 2022 Civic should perform well in the long run, although only time will tell how the sedan will hold up against the future.